even Paulo Castro, that Rule 5, ano yan, puro mga matagal na naglalaro dito sa MPBL. Meanwhile, Michael Paint with a reverse layup.
Very familiar face. Michael Paint, who played for National University last 2016. Matagal na rin, 10 years ago. Really very good in the three-point area.
He had a strong outing in their latest game against Iloilo.
You might see something here today.
They go to the post. Michael Pate working on J.R. Taganas. Nice hook shot, 4 early points for Michael Pate.
Do you believe that when he was 16, he was one of our best big mans in the 16 under? Von Pesomal, maraming kasabay si Michael Pate.
Solid lineup pala yun. Quite a solid floor general for the NU Bulldogs. Mama Radlo with 5 straight points.
And he was one of the gunners of Zamboanga.
Sa contending team yun.
Go-to guy actually, Zamboanga.
Mama Radlo. 10 seconds left on their shot clock. Pasaol from the middle. Takes the 3 and makes it.
That's what.
And then yung season 5, Bacolod. Pero ano yun remnants of that Muntinlupa team yun Sila nila Puroy. As Alvin Pasaol carving out space down low. And his move na hindi naging madali against Jay Collado. Mas kalahati na tayo sa ating first quarter. Nice pass by Mamaradlo setting up Jay Collado down low. Ball ending up with Nomark Matiliano. Sasaksak siya sa baseline. Mintis pa din. Jello Ubuyes also gave them a spark off the bench in their last game. Picks up from where he left off. Monte got blitz. Pasaol off the dribble. Taking it right to Jay Collado. 7 points for Alvin Pasaol. Ito mas makikita natin sa angle na ito. Oh, he hit his head. Malapit lang kayo sa venue. Punta na kayo dito sa PAC Arena. Free admission. Hindi lang game. Makuha nyo mamaya.
Hindi lang na maganda yung mga laro natin.
Si Jer Olegario, spark plug nila off the bench. Here he is, catching the basketball and finishing in transition. Season 7 naman, last season lang naglaro. Si Shaq Alanes para sa Parañaque. Shot rejected by Justin Alano. Olegario, derecho for 2.
That's what I'm talking about, the Spitfire.
Monte, sizing up Val Chauca.